Hey guys, I hope that you're doing safe in this lockdown. And the most important thing, as we all know, is to boost up your immunity so that you're immune to coronavirus. And here are a few ways by which you can boost up your immunity. The first way is to, drink this kara, which I'll just teach you how to make this kara. First of all, you need to take these ingredients. This is ginger, and I've crushed it into pieces. And then this is green tea. I've taken lavender green tea because it tastes very nice, and it's from Sacha Tea Boutique, and it's a very nice one. Then we have elaichi powder, and you put the leaves also because these leaves also give you the right ingredients for the immunity. And then I've taken dalchini if you have it at home at present. And please don't go out and buy any of the things which I'm telling you. If you have it at home, whatever you have, please use that. And then you need to take hot water, actually boil them. So I'll just show you how. So you take a cup of water, then add some ginger, then some cinnamon. You can also add curry patta to it. Add some green tea. Mix it a little bit. Guys, now the tea has boiled, so you can turn the burner off. And then pour it into your cup. Then you let it cool for some time, and after that you can just sip a little bit of it and boost up your immunity. The next way is to have Chyawanprash, which actually boost up your immunity. And they come in two variations. Like, one is sugar free for the diabetic one, so even the ones who don't want to get fat. And this one is like has a little bit of sugar or honey in it, and it has a lot of good ingredients and jadi booty, which we call in India, and they help you to boost up your immunity. And have 1 spoon every single day, or half a spoon if you're not used to Chyawanprash, and this will really help you in boosting up your immunity. So guys, these are the ways how you can boost up your immunity. Another way, the third way, is exercise, and definitely don't overeat at home. Whatever healthy things which you have at home, try have that. And even if you don't have a lot of veggies or whatever at your place, then you should try and have small portions so that you're healthy, fit, because that helps you to boost up your immunity. And the most important thing is mental health. That is that even if you get bored or get sad or disappointed because of the situation at present, then you should just believe that this time will also pass, and it's happening to everyone. And thank God that we are safe and with our families, and having this kara to boost up the immunity. And just stay healthy, stay at home, stay fit, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.